How to use picture-in-picture on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So in order to do picture-in-picture, you need to have YouTube Premium account. If you don't have a YouTube Premium account, here is what you can do to use the picture-in-picture feature of YouTube. Launch open any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar type in youtube.com. Then tap on three-dot icon and check the box of desktop site. Then choose any video that you would like to play. Now make this video full screen. Then simply close the screen. Also make sure that you close the screen while playing the video. That way you can use picture-in-picture feature. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.